STEM room's due to be finished in the next few weeks, and we're really excited to launch it off for the next school year. We're bringing in a lot of different types of electronics in order to bring technology into the school and part of the curriculum, while combining the science and mathematics and the technology and the engineering go together with the students to solve problems and project-based learning. The concept for the STEM and design room really is about being as functional as possible. We wanted it to be capable of rearrangements, so that way we're able to accommodate small groups of students to larger groups of students, and they can work in different size teams. Some of the other concepts behind it have to do with making the technology easiest to use. So one difference you'll see in this classroom compared to other classrooms is all the electricity drops down from the ceiling. The reason we do this is because there's lots of cords with electricity, right? We know they need power. A lot of electronics will be used in the class, and we don't want anyone's project to be destroyed from somebody tripping over a cord running on the ground. The STEM room really does have very modern facilities. I know we're importing different things, and part of this is to make it as good of a study space as possible for the students. So let the countdown begin. I'd like to welcome you all to join our school and experience SNA's new STEM room.